Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. If you make that simple mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300 that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the TCU, also known as TCM, that's the transmission control module or transmission control unit, fuses, relays, where you can find them, we'll explain that in this video today. If you need to buy any parts and tools, we'll share the information in the video where you can get them at a good price. That way you do not waste money and time. So let's start on it now. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, that way we can keep making these free videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff guys. And if you need to buy cheap parts and tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below. Guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. The TCU fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Chrysler 300. By the way guys, we'll be working two different fuse boxes, and the first one we need to go ahead and open the hood. When you face the engine, doesn't matter if you have a V6 or V8 facing the engine on the left side, this is the passenger side, you have a fuse box. Press the two tabs together here, pull that cover out. You're going to end up finding a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So here, let's zoom in a little bit what we need to check, guys. Multiple fuses, relays for the TCU, also known as TCM. The first one that we need to check, okay, is 29, fuse 29. We're talking about this 15 amp fuse right here. Next, you need to, guys, check 37. So that's 34, 35, 36, 37. Right here will need to be checked. After that, guys, you need to locate relay 44. So now this one here is 45, the one next to it that you have right here is 44, right there. After that, you need to come to the trunk, open the trunk, leave the carpet liner up on the bottom. Underneath you have the spare tire, the car battery, behind it is the fuse trunk fuse box. That's what it looks like, that's a closer look. Press the tabs together here, pull that cover out. Here we need to check, guys, one more fuse, and that's fuse 26. So if we come in that row of fuses, okay, that's fuse, not all of them, okay, we'll have that one, but if you have it, that's fuse 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. You may have that fuse right here. If you have it, check it as well, guys. Those are the main things we need to check. So guys, that generation Chrysler 300 has all kinds of different size of fuses, guys. You can see different fuses, relays, that's the engine fuse box, that's the trunk fuse box. Those could be really hard to find, some of them, guys, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a replacement, you cannot get one, you may be stuck, guys. So we will recommend to buy some, put in the glove box for peace of mind, keep some spare ones. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video was helpful, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.